All right, Bafethu, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the podcast, one and the only Israel Matseke Zulu. I would like to call this chapter 2. Welcome, Mr. Jabulani. Shabujan Melton. Game 2. Jabu Archer. I'm Bajela Archer, Bafethu, Kunensizwa. Yenza umhlolo ngeArcher.
Sure.
Engidlile le Archer. Engivethizile. Isasekhona futhi lapha nesitolo. Otherwise, what brings you here for the second time?
Njengoba ngishilo Hotman ukuthi indaba yesound yabona. So ngeke ngavaya ngayiChina. Ngalanda izinto. Mina ngazi kuzoperate lezi. But abo Charles abazazi.
Wena ufana na. Mina nawe kusithi ama technician. Singama makers, singama conceptualists. All right. So usithengele something as the podcast.
Exactly.
Based on sound.
Ngithenge into ebizwa ngesound card.
Sound card. No, it is senzeka isingamusho isikhathi abantu bayibone babone ukuthi le podcast le it's the number 1 podcast in the world njengoba ngishilo. Angithukanga futhi angisabi. Nazi izinto ezilethwe uJabu. By the way, angikhumbuze your surname?
Malungani.
Oh, Malungani. Jabulani Malungani. Yakhenza bhuti.
Kwenza mina baba.
Sikwembu xikolo.
Sikwembu xikolo ngoku.
Sikwembu stirile. Nabona imata sikwembu lexi.
Imatimba xikwembu.
Imatimba
xikwembu.
Imatimba sikwembu. Mfoka baba.
Naranzo.
But the hand that gives is the hand that receives.
It's more likely to receive.
Not we give. We gave another brother lapha eKagiso to start a coffee shop, a business.
Ngibonile lento le.
And then most of the people, they are very impressed about the episode. And then khona balandela ama footstep wethu. Bayanika manje.
Exactly.
So senze umsebenzi omuhle. This is a good movement. Siyabonga mfowethu ngokuthi usisponsor usithengele what we call the sound card. Abo Charles nabo Dumsani, my crew, I'm a technician. I believe bazakwazi we operate this thing. So that we grow.
Bazofunda kunama menu nani but laba amajita top.
Uyahamba mfowethu, uhamba ufika nase Hong Kong.
Ngiyahamba.
Bo Japan.
Ngiyahamba yazi Grootman mangisuka la. Ngisuke la ngaya Addis Ababa. Ethiopia. Ngihlangana ne-out.
Hilas.
Ngihlangana ne-out le-out isebenza eDubai.
Okay.
Le-out mangibona lapha ethi manje ngiyakwazi. Ngithi ungaze lapha uthi ngikubone ku-podcast yaka-Israel. Ngithi uthi kumele udose le-out nize eDubai. Ngithi faka inyuku wena uzobona.
Akafaka imali siye eDubai. Plus eDubai it's a free country. I think ngiyaqualify lapha ungena ngeke bangidina ivisa ngoba eAmerica bakutshelanga ukuthi you've got criminal records ezina 40 years. Angene e-USA.
Hayi lapha I think but sizothola information.
Stolen information singabi discouraged. Maybe ahlanganise makumele sihlavule bangitshela ukuthi mina angeni la.
Sizokhuluma naye then sikhulume nama-embassy sizokuthi kwenzakalani.
It's totally unfair ngoba ama-American wona yangena they sing about prison, they sing about weed babathola ngeinsango lapha ema-airport mara bayangena thina singa.
But simele sifune le information kumele size siyithole ukuthi kahle kufuneka ini singahlali sithi maybe asiqualify sizwe.
No, man, I've tried, man. I went to criminal record department in Pretoria. General Sibia from Pretoria tried to help me. Ngabile no Charles angakutshele sana wonke lamo ngize ngigive upile. The last time ngiya laphana ngihlangane nomlungu laphana I think uFanzile uyiboss yakhona laphana anginike icard mawufona ababambi mafoni akuna progress kumele ngisanelwe yipresident makumele ngitravel. ngisaboshiwe ngibona ngiso.
But if needs be singayitry na leyo ukuthi president simthola kanjani.
Hey somthola phu Cyril Ramaphosa
No wethu president yethu.
Yeah.
Ulapha na ngenxa yethu.
So lose ama opportunity wokuya ema-Dubai la wokuya kuphi. I think they are 35 years old. Basayibambile. We had a conference, the Minister of Correctional Services uLamula. One day she said Rustenburg.
Yeah.
Go we event yama ex-con.
Yeah.
Hayi akulungi mfethu.
Yeah.
Wathi waboshwa nje emhlabeni nje. Hayi inkinga this advice nabafana ukuthi hey mfana kithi ungabi ne criminal record.
Yeah.
Noma ngabe yokutshontsha icheese.
Yeah, izomosha izinto.
Hey, in future that thing is gonna catch up with you.
Yeah.
Though my destination is not America, but nami bengithanda ukushaya around ngijike ngibabonise ukuthi no zikhona izinja ngala. Abo 50 laba nabo Samuel Jackson.
Yeah.
But abo probam la.
Yeah. Manje awukhona ukuya ku. But nginokuthi mina ngithi if uhluleka ukuya, America will come to you. When I do good things, America will come to you.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah.
Okay, besides the contribution that you're making to our podcast today, today it's a handover. It's just a simple episode.
Sure.
Yini nje into ofuna ukuhighlight nje maybe to the youth ngoba ngiyakwazi when you are a youth activist mangukubheka kahle nale archer nje soyayibhayisa nje kahle wena you are a leadership.
Yeah,
kahle. You are a concerned citizen of the country.
Cool. It's a gift.
Yini your word of the day of today?
Wazi ku youth njengoba ngitravelile eChina ngitravele I think mangisuka la eOR Tambo ngiye Addis Ababa, from Addis Ababa ngaya India ngathi Delhi India, from India ngashiwa flight.
Yeah. Punctuality.
Ngashiwa flight bengi
early.
Labantu abayenza ama boarding pass la bangishaya ngesikhathi iflight yazi yahamba ngoba bekuyi connection short. But sharp ngathenga le ticket asuka lapha ngaye Bangladesh. Then from Bangladesh kula ngisuke khona ngaye Guangzhou eChina. So yazi the good part of it njengoba ngitshela ukuthi ngihlangana ne-out mangisa eEthiopia. Meet abantu through my way.
Le out emitile South Africa.
South Africa.
Marunga la
usebenza ngale.
O spana ngala.
Usebenza ngale.
Okay.
So ngihlangana nabantu which I call it in network. So I network with people. From Ethiopia ngikhulume nabantu ngaye Bangladesh ngikhulume nabantu ngafika eChina kwaba west. I've learned a lot and into mangibuya ngitshela uMaster Blaster ukuthi yazi i-youth yethu ngafuna into eziningi from eChina.
Uspana ngani?
Mina I call myself the entrepreneur.
Yo.
So
entrepreneur,
yes.
Yeah, acha le kota.
Mango archer. Lately why nje.
So we are a stalker or we are a manufacturer?
Ni creator from a mango.
We are a creator.
Yeah, ngicale ngistalker. Mangaloko ngihamba ngiyafunda, ngaze ngafunda ukuzenzela my own archer.
Oh, so we are yenza. We are a creator. Uthatha umengo raw.
Yes.
Bese uyayenza le archer lena.
Yes.
Then bese uyayipackage.
Ngiyapackage, yes.
Then bese uyayidistributor.
Bese uyadistribute.
Une warehouse.
In a warehouse, yes.
You have employees.
I've got employees, yes.
How many people have you employed?
So far I employed about 18 people.
18 people.
Yes.
So i-archer yakho we distribute her around the country or outside the country as well?
Distributor in South Africa. The last time we checked, bengina about 650 stores that I supply in South Africa. And then I also send my archer to Botswana. I also send my archer to Lesotho and Namibia.
In Namibia?
Yes.
Oh, you know, have you thought about taking it to overseas?
I have that in mind. Njengoba bengise China, I spoke about it. They don't know what archer is. But next time when I travel there, ngizoya ne-archer bayibone. So ngiyazi ukuthi it's possible ukuthi ngayisupply.
And ama-archer ama-China abotsotsi bayokushayela yona ngale wayisa ngale kuzoba ne-China archer ama-China angibathembi.
But yazi into engayifunda mangilaphaya mawungasaba ukuthi abantu bazokukhopha ayikho into ozoyenza. So when a creator mabayikhopha leyo change style wenze lo, you can do an archer sauce, you can do archer paste. So uyayichange.
Yeah, when you are a visionary still. Angikhumbule ngizwe umuntu akhuluma nge-archer paste.
Yeah.
Should ibe ngathi ibutter mari archer.
Ngizokulethela yona sengicalile lento. The reason ukuthi ngicale lento leyo, there are people abathanda i-archer abangadli oil.
Oh yeah.
So
yabona njengami.
Yes.
Mangidla i-archer ngiyayisefa le-oil.
Yes, ngizokulethela i-archer paste. I-archer paste mangadli oil ayina oil at all, 0% oil. So say grinder kube i-spread like a peanut butter ifake esinkweni and then you chop.
Yeah, so how difficult it is as a black man to have a business relationship in terms of supplying maybe Pick n Pay, so ShopRite.
Yeah.
Angisazi ukuthi yingami la amabhizinisi wamabhunu from dala utaki uzafaka iproduct lapha neshelfini. It's not easy. So when eyakho iyatholakala ngithi kuma supermarket
ikhona kuma Pick n Pay.
So ungena kanjani lapho?
Ungena kuma first Pick n Pay. Ngiyela phayana but ngilandelela mina nginokusho ngithi my biggest asset in this business is people. So a customer is my biggest asset. Ama customers ekimi bathi yazi sithenga i-archer kule Pick n Pay kunenye Pick n Pay Ivory Tempis. Sithenga i-archer lapha but ayimnandanga njengale yakho. Why ungafake yakho lapha? Ayi bathi Pick n Pay. Ayi akho easy lapha. But let me try. Ngaye Pick n Pay bangifike Pick n Pay ngathola imanager yathi no, I've got archer here. I can't take your archer. Ngathi akuna problem ngoba ang give up easy. Ngathi no problem. Ngicela nje kubeka istall sami la eminyango. Ngitestisa ama customer. Mina nawe sibheke ukuthi kwenzakalani. Wathi akwenze lokho. Ngoba ngiyazithaba mina ngiyathi. Abanikeza lapha. Taste free ba taste. Maba taste abantu bayithanda. Lucky enough nginestock la. Ngithi manithenga nibhadala phakathi. Uyavuma manager. Bashale sa stock sonke. Umjida wathi you have a shelf. That's how I got my first Pick n Pay.
So manje sephakathi professional.
But one thing that I will tell anyone ofuna ukwenza business, it's not an easy road. It's challenging, it's difficult. That's why namanje Rodmani ngithe ngizokhuluma nawe, if there is a minute or a chance sahambe maybe ekolweni or kuma business seminars just to tell people ukuthi it's possible but it's not easy.
Or kusho ukuthi no, I love the idea.
Yes.
We're changing the subject now.
Yes.
We're no longer going to talk about crime prevention, drugs. Everybody's doing that. We've done that.
Exactly.
Now we're going to talk about entrepreneurship.
We're talking about.
So tell abantwana business how to make money.
Yes, because
at the early age.
Yes, yazi kwenzakala into engiyibonile. Unokuthi ukhule uthi ngifuna ukuba i-doctor. Ifail lento le. Umuntu commit suicide. Because akuna plan B. But mase ngafika esigaba sibatshela ukuthi uyazi ungathena imango into a fortune. Like umuntu uyazi ukuthi noma ngashaya ibonda lapha like mina bengise university ngifailile lapha. I didn't give up. I tried something. Now namhlanje I'm the entrepreneur of South Africa. So and I'm not saying ngoba mina ngenza omunye umuntu angeka yena.
I like the name entrepreneur.
Yes. So it's if Jabu can do it. You can do it.
If they have it.
Yes.
Why not?
That's why ngifuna ukuba a person of influence. Influence labantwana ukuthi guys, it's possible. It's simple but not easy. So we can mina ngibena ama challenges amaningi ku business. Mangicala ku business bengazi nalento yokuthiwa ama cash balance, ama ledger nani bengazazi ngifailile because
nami ngafaila i-accountancy.
Yes.
Mangishaya form 1 zathi ngayazi ngathola 0 ku accountancy.
Khona into
angidabo sithi cash receipt journal.
Yes.
Cash payment journal.
Yes.
General ledger book.
Yes.
Ngizazi manje ngizazi practical
100% same here.
Bareskela bengana ukuthi naku manje ama invoice ngitho nazi lezinto engingazifeyila manje ngimaster yazo ngoba ngithi ngisebenza nabantu kumele ngi-invoice I must pay people. Sengiunderstand ukuthi lento engingayifeyila mara practically ngiya excel.
Yes. And futhi wazi abantwana singabayenzani masiloko siseyigela sikhuluma nawo ungathi umntwana makuvala igela 2 3 4 5 wozane factory come and learn how we do these things. We open doors for them. Because what I'm saying is, yazi ngavala, nechance ukuthi ngavala ngithi I don't tell anyone. But nginabantwana. Yangithola. Abantwana bami bazoshada umntwana wakho. Akafundanga next lento boyikhuluma ukuthi kumele sisebenzisane or le ukuthi a man must provide. No, we must teach these people azokwazi ukubambisana. Mangibheke mina eChina ngifunda okuningi eChina. Umntwana omncane wenza ipouch e4. Umntwana omncane wenza ama educational twice. So lento leyo singabonisa labantwana
bethu bayashumayela.
Abantu bafundisa into ezirong.
Abethu bafunda iBhayibheli.
Exactly.
Bamimika abafundisi. WaseChina wenza iwatch.
Yes.
Mara I remember thina eprimary ngathi besinayo ihandwork.
Handwork, yes.
Manje ngathi ayisekho la le.
Yeah,
besenza ama-bank stool.
Yes, into zokupheka.
Senza ama-ostrich.
Yes.
Nali watch besilenza.
Yes. So kumele sibuyise lento leyo but thina siyenzani njengoba usho ukuthi besingazi accounting. Sibabonisa ukuthi le account uyenza esikolweni nayi mina ngiyenza kanje. Ngibhadala uJames this much money, kusala this much money. Kuna enye into ngifuna ukuemphasize kakhulu kubantwana besikole. Income minus expense is equals to profit. Ngicela ukunderstand accounting ngaleyo nto leyo. Imali engeni ngoba umuntu unokuthi ngiyenze 50,000 eyami. Ama expense ipetrol lesebenza lapha, electric esebenza efactory. Lezi zinto lezi kumele sifundise abantu ngoba kudla ngifeyile khona. And angeke ngithi ngoba mina ngifelile omunye umuntu kumele afeyile naye. Kumele siprevent le failure le abantwana abanayo. Then we will build a better South Africa.
Talk about the laziness.
Yes.
I realized abantwana abaningi ba lazy man.
Yes.
Yazi masikhula thina. Let me talk about myself.
Yes.
Mangiphuma esikela.
Yeah.
Bengibeka incwadi same time.
Sure.
First stop to the youth.
Yeah.
Youth club.
Yeah.
Grounding.
Yeah.
Do something.
Yeah.
Abantwana baphuma esikela ubathola balele.
Yeah.
Ngabo 3 ngabo 4.
Yeah.
So, what's your take on that?
I would say it's the power of the mind.
Yeah.
Umuntu kumele afunde atshele ingqondo yakhe uthi what is it that I want? And if you want something, follow it.
Yeah.
Lazy is in the mind. So stand up, go for what you want. It doesn't matter how long it takes.
Yeah.
It can take you 10 years, but it will happen.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, mina among things othola i-sound card. I didn't know ukuthi ngiyayithola kuphi. But I made an effort.
Yeah.
Ngitholile ngibuye nayo.
Ubuye nayo. Ubuye nayo PRT ivulele.
Yeah.
Ibomb la. Yeah. Sivele sibhome sonke manje. Explode.
Yeah.
Oh, it's something like this.
This thing, yeah.
Oh. Nami ngifuna ukuyasikela, mina ngifuna ukuyasikela si-editing.
Yeah.
I'm not a technician, but mangiyipress i-computer ngipressa nala abanye bangazange bapressa.
Sure, itshintsha ama
But ungene kanjani? Ufike kanjani?
Yeah.
So, this is what we've received, guys. Yazi khona enye isho engifuna ukuyibeka etafuleni mfoka baba.
Yeah.
Phela we are nation builders.
Yeah.
We are not stereotype ukuthi sikhuluma ngecrime kuphela ama-drugs ukuthi no singabhema ama-drugs kunisishushe lishumayela levangeli.
Yeah.
Khona enye i-concern enginayo. Let's talk about the financial balance.
Yeah.
As a couple.
Yes.
Umuntu wakhe endlini maybe fro yakho.
Yeah.
Or ichair yakho.
Yeah.
Do you think if asina financial relationship will be successful?
Never. Ngibuya kuleyo nto even if angeke ngiye into details.
Yeah.
But yazi sinokugijima singabantu. Kumele umuntu before uzosettle naye umazi ukuthi umuntu onjani.
Yeah.
Ukhona ukuthola umfazi ofuna or let's say i-girlfriend.
Yeah.
Efuna izinto ezenzeka manje.
Yeah.
And when on your patience. But I think I mentioned something ngathi ama-vision wethu awafani. So if ubona ukuthi umuntu akakhona ukwadjusta nalento okuyo ngcono phuma. Yeah, ngoba awuyindawo.
Yeah.
Kufana nemoto engana petrol. It's going nowhere.
Yeah.
So wena kumele ufunde lo muntu wakho. Nifundane kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Ukuthi yini la ifunayo. But angithi sinokushawa yini kodwa. Sinokushawa ukuthi sibheke okuhle strategy. The outer beauty.
And ubuhle akubeki isinke etafuleni.
No, there's two kinds of
beauty doesn't put food on the table.
Yes. But what I say it, the outer beauty. There is the inner beauty.
Yeah.
So fight for the inner beauty. Lion days of success. So if you focus on the inner beauty,
do you believe in the quote that says, or it's a verse, or it's a philosophy, I don't know.
Yes.
A man must provide.
Yazi lento leyo nakuBhayibheli isho kanjalo ukuthi indoda kumele provide.
Yeah.
But my phuma indoda yo provide ngaphandle lethi ukudla nje. Kumele uyenza prepare. Yakuphela. So kusho ukuthi lento le is two hands. It goes both ways. Ngiyaphatha now yenza something endlini. Man kumanje kulempilo esesiphila manje in this era ayisekho lokuthi umuntu uzohlala stay athi ulinde wena. Kuzolana.
Angithi manje asikhuluma reality.
Yes.
Okay, iBhayibheli le.
Yes.
Yabhalwa kudala le asazi ibhalwa kuba.
Yes.
Kodwa abantu bayibhala le.
Yeah.
Mara, let's look at the reality of life.
Okay.
I buy a house.
Yeah.
I buy a car.
Yes.
Inyanga iphelile namhlanje njengoba sikhuluma.
100% yeah.
Ayangena ama SMS.
Yes.
umasipala ufuna imali yakhe
Yes.
yamanzi
Yes.
nama-dustbin
100.
ibond ifuna imali
Yes.
imoto ihamba ngepetrol.
Yes.
Who's responsible for that?
Both of you. It's a couple. Kwamanje sekunento bathi 50-50. We go 50-50.
No, mara abayivumi le 50-50. Asikhuluma iqiniso sibeke 99 singayilena le.
Yeah. Yazi that's why ngithi if akayivumi lo muntu uthola umuntu wrong. The truth be told uthola umuntu wrong. Kwamele wena wazi ukuthi ufuna ini empilweni yakho. Awuphushwa yini kanti ukuthi ube ku relationship nomuntu. Wena kumele uchoose ukuthi ngifuna umuntu okanje. Lo azonginceda ngalokho. Cabanga bra GP izinto azihambi kahle kuwe. Let's say uyasebenza, right?
Yeah.
Ziyami izinto umsebenzi uyaphela. Yena nawo
Uzwenzakala.
ubeka umuntu endlini ifurniture lo muntu lo.
Yeah.
Akakwazi nokuthenga igwini.
Yeah.
Uyophila ngani? Kwamele uyiplane wena ukuthi mina I want umuntu esizobambisana.
Yeah.
Then we move.
How it
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, no. Akuna flock mfoko baba.
Yeah.
Friday namhlanje.
Yeah.
Mina usually Friday angispani.
Sure.
Yeah. Angiliyezi futhi na Friday.
Yeah.
I-culture yami, le religion yami.
Yeah.
It's a holiday.
Yeah.
Friday it's a short day and a very busy day. Yabona ama drive manje wangena freeway.
Yeah.
Zonke ikara zihamba fast.
Busy.
Wonke umuntu ujahile.
Busy.
Ifreeing.
Busy.
Yeah, vele namhlanje ngelinye ilanga nje li-hectic. Nawe you are a busy man.
Yeah.
Singakubambezeli mfoko baba.
Yeah.
Good luck for everything.
Yeah.
uNkulunkulu akubusise. I've learned something from you.
Yeah.
You are an inspiration.
Yeah.
Mina, I don't deny myself an opportunity to learn.
Yes.
I learn from everyone.
Yes.
Angizitsheli mina ngithi no ngiyazi ngiphume TV.
Yeah.
I-TV yazi I discovered recently ukuthi being a superstar,
Yeah.
being a star, it's a serious case.
Yeah. Eh?
It's a serious case, my brother. I don't want to lie to you.
Yeah.
It's very challenging.
Yeah.
Yabona mina nga-actanga,
Yeah.
I was gonna be a billionaire. I-acting ingimoshela isikhathi kwezinye izinto
Yeah.
angifuni ukukhuluma ngakho.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma enye into engingazange ngayikhuluma. If you have to ask me ukuthi nginga-actanga ngabe ngiyini,
Yeah.
mina ngabe ngifana no Mr. KFC.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ngeskill enginaso aside this
Yeah.
abasaziyo abantu abangazi
Yes.
ngaso.
Yes.
Sometimes calling, this thing that we call it a calling,
Yeah.
sometimes becomes a curse to us. You walk in the street, abantwana bakudelela bakubiza ngamagama ase-TV, they think you are funny.
Yeah.
Sometimes awubi nesithunzi futhi.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes uyisho ukuthi yazi ngabe bengumuntu onormal nje ongaziwa. Sometimes uyasifihla. Yazi yesterday I was hiding because Edladleni is next to the school.
Yeah.
Labantwana laba bakulesa skela ba disrespectful. Bathanda ukuvela ngamawindo lapha bangimemeze. Abanye bangithuke nokungithukela ngibayenzanga neza. I feel bad. Sometimes I regret ukuthi why I chose to become an actor.
Yeah, but I think ibeke so. Ngiyakuzwa into ekhulumayo. Kunento ezithu. Kune umuntu ofamous, right? Kune celebrity. And lezo zinto zi different and abantu abakwazi differentiate ukuthi.
Yeah.
Right? if you are a person of influence, right? You influence other people, they start to celebrate you. We call it a celebrity.
Yeah.
Because they celebrate.
You are celebrated.
Exactly. So, kono umuntu famous, abantu abaningi mina ngifuna ukuba famous.
Yeah.
I want to be a celebrity.
Yeah.
And not a celebrity because ngivela ku TV.
Yeah.
Or not a celebrity because ngivela ku podcast.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuba a celebrity because I'm celebrated by like-minded people.
Yeah.
Abantu bafuna ukufana njengoJabu.
Yeah.
Kuthi uJabu nawe uyakhona ukuya eChina. Akudingi degree kuya eChina. Ngiyakhona ukuya eChina ngiyofunda izinto eziningi.
Yeah.
You understand the level? So abantu masingafuna kuba ama celebrity. Umuntu ozocelebrate abantu abafuna ukuhamba kule ndlela hamba kuyo, which is the right way. I think so.
Yeah, how do we teach our people to not misbehave when they see people who appear on TV?
Leo, I don't think we have control over that. Behavior yomuntu is a personal choice. It's a personal decision. So Leo, you just have to live with it when uzengile wena. Ngoba ungathi mabakumemeza, wazi iresponse yakho iyo, that's what matters. Mabakumemeza or bakuthuka uthukana back ngiyafana. There's no difference. When you just act as if it never happened. It doesn't have to get into your mind because it will disturb your thinking.
Or it's like, but you don't argue with the food.
Exactly.
Because people might not notice the difference.
100%. So when just take it as ngabantu and we are different. As much as we are my families are different. Sifundiswe ngendlela esihlukile. Omunye nje kubo kuyathukana nje. Omunye kubo khulunywa nje. But kune 50% yabantu aba right. Kune 50% yabantu abazo misbehave abawubona. Bheka ukuthi ngibone mina ku podcast. Ngathi esithala lo manje. Ngifuna ukulibona, you understand? But khona umuntu azobona athi hayi the future is in the hands of our kids. So if it's not change upon, I'm telling you, so it's bomb.
So if factory yako operate la kuphi?
It's a Olifants Fontaine.
Olifants Fontaine.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's a firm like.
It's a factory.
It's a factory.
It's a factory. Yeah. And currently, a piece of land in Polokwane, I'm creating another one there.
Oh, another branch.
Because that's where I come from. It will be very much unfair for me ukuthi ngibe la eJozi ngikhuphule kakhulu la eJozi la ngibuya khona kungekho right. Charity begins at home.
Yeah, uyabona ke wena you are a future billionaire ngoba yabona uyenza lento yenziwe abo Mr McDonald, abo KFC, angithi yabona iKFC uyithola the whole world.
Yeah. Ngizoyiphinda lento le ukuthi I'm not a future billionaire.
Yeah.
I am a billionaire in my mind.
Yeah.
I'm there in my mind.
Yeah, not a future.
No.
Future, yeah. You're a recent billionaire.
I'm a billionaire in my mind.
Yeah, the billionaire, it's in the house, ladies and gentlemen. You check.
Yeah. Because if ngizoya my numbers,
ukuthi
ngithi ngibillionaire, I'll never get there.
Yeah.
Lento iqala in the mind. If you tell your mind that I am successful, you are. So now I am a billionaire. It's not money in my bank account. I am a billionaire.
Hey, no. You're going to tell me you are an inspiration, my brother.
Thank you, sir.
So, do you have trucks to transport your acha?
Yeah, I have an 8-ton truck.
Yeah.
And then most of the times 24 tons. I have source.
Yeah.
But I've got baggies to deliver stock. I've got my own 8-ton truck.
8-ton?
Yes.
Yeah, there's 4-tonner, there's 8-tonner.
Yes.
Yeah, no Spanish.
And then when I buy an equipment, I learn how to operate that. So ngiyabamba 8-ton truck ngiyenza nini ngiyolayisha into zami ngiboye. Ngoba imengo engikhathayo mina is not enough for supply. So I would source kuma farmers as well. So ngiyabamba 8-ton ngiyela.
So lo mengo ulanda letha nini?
Ulanda letha nini?
And then it's not enough.
It's not enough.
Bese uya kuma farmer. Laba ba farmer the mango.
Okay. My farm is a Varlam, a KZN.
Yeah.
The mango is not enough.
On a farm food mango.
Yes.
You farm the mango.
Okay.
Then you create acha from that mango.
Yes.
Then when the money
money will never be enough.
Money will never be enough.
Yes. And because another thing, as you go business kunjani, ungaba nemali eningi njengoba usho today.
Yeah.
Tomorrow usleep, and go back to zero.
Yeah.
You start again.
Yeah.
So it's up and down, up and down.
Yeah, but at least you start again. Aweli edalini.
No.
Uphelelwa imali
Yeah.
ukuthi uyispendile le mali
Yes.
enemele ubone ukuthi uyispende kuphi imali.
Yes, 100%. But
You might not have money,
Yeah.
but have resources.
that's 100%. You build it.
Maybe uphethe meter.
Yes.
Le meter le wa build structure,
Yes.
wathenga equipment,
Yes.
wa sustainer what you have. Angithi we pay bills futhi at the same
Yes,
time.
yes, yes.
Imali yaphela.
Yeah.
Kumele utabalaza futhi.
Yes. But enye into ongayifunda futhi mangise China and ngiyibone iyenzeka na yimi. Unokuthi ucasha abantu bazokusebenzela, right? Batape kule sitoko sakho.
Yeah.
Bakuyise.
Batshonje.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then manje sekuza ipart yama camera manje. You install cameras uzowabona efonini yakho ukuthi what's happening in my factory. So we always learning, like it's a journey of self improvement. Logo ya improve uyakhula. But anyway, once ubuyo, then you learn a lot, you move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I've never seen your archer maybe in a billboard.
Okay, nginama billboard eThembisa kune billboard kaJabu.
Okay.
eDavidton kune billboard kaJabu. eKZN bathu kuphi na? Umhlanga kune billboard kaJabu. I think we have about 7 billboards.
Okay.
Yeah. uJabu lapho.
Oh.
Yeah.
Or you also consider marketing as the powerful tool in a business.
My strength, I've got too much strength there.
Yeah.
For marketing, and I'm doing it myself. So like TikTok, ngijima kakhulu.
Yeah.
So I always show people this is what's happening.
Push archer yakho
Yes.
lapho Jabu archer.
Yes, and another thing is over important to the viewers or anyone of Nkwenzi Archer. I train people how to make archer.
Okay.
In my workshop engiwenzayo, I train
No
people.
ngiyeza mina kule workshop.
Come learn.
Nami ngifuna ukuyiphusha le.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngayibhayisa ngisaseyintwana mina
Yeah.
bengiyibhayisa bengikhatha yabona icontainer yeguava juice.
Yes.
Ngikala ngayo le.
Yeah.
Mina bengishaya ke door in door.
Yeah. I started like that.
Bengibalanda Saturday before bathenga amagwinya
Yeah.
sengifikile. You understand?
100%.
Isuthi yabo eninye achenze inyuko.
Any business yenza inyuko kuya ne-focus yakho.
Ifocus.
Yeah, when you must focus on what you're doing.
Kunenye intwana ebhayisayo futhi ngathi kuye Free State la
Yeah.
Alexandria ehamba ngetroli so.
Yeah.
I-famous blind ontwana le.
Yeah.
So ibhayisa yona nje street le ayithengise enye.
Yeah.
Mayivela sesiyazi ukuthi anale ntwana eatsha.
Yazi ngiboneni mangifika eChina. Ngibone ngekwenye factory bayenza equipment
Yeah.
ukupackage i-archer, like
Yeah.
to put archer in the container
Yeah.
and oil.
Yeah.
So what I want to do, I want to buy one machine there.
Yeah.
Ngizofunda ukwenza lo machine.
Ya wena udlala.
Ngoba angithi masithi when I'm saying I'm building a legacy, kwamele ngishiye something in this world.
Yeah.
uJabu was here.
No mina ngiyeza e-warehouse e-Olifants Fontaine.
You're welcome.
Ngizotrainer
Yeah.
ukuthi archer uyenza kanjani ngoba ngine potential nami ukuthi ngiyiphusha.
100%.
Understand?
You're more than welcome.
And you are not selfish about it.
No.
Yabo.
I'm not going to live forever. That's what
Angifuni ukuyenza mthangana udana ngoma uri uyitshontshile ijabula nayo. No. Yabona manje siyenza 99.
100% straight.
Ngiyeza nami ngizotrainer
Yeah.
mina mathuba.
Exactly.
Ngoba ku-important ukuyi-manufacture than ukuyi-stock.
Yes.
Ngithanda nje leyo content leyo concept leyo.
Yes.
And which is the word epreachwa i-president uCyril Ramaphosa.
Yeah.
I-focus ye-government manje we need to produce the nation
Yeah.
that will manufacture,
Yes.
import.
Yes.
Understand?
Tumele
We need to
yeah.
create things for ourselves.
Yes.
Kube yithi si-ownayo leyo product siyise kwamanye amazwe
100%.
singasaba ama-consumer.
No. Kumele sibe ne-chain.
Yeah.
Economy angithi yiyo leyo we-exchange.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, no. Yiyo into efunakalayo ezenza ukuthi nathi abodaki siphakamise ukukhala ukuthi yonke into iqalwe yithi.
Yeah.
Igwinya liqalwe yithi
Yeah.
abogogo bethu.
Yeah.
Mara i-Fat Cake restaurant
Yeah.
i-owner abelungu.
Yes.
Bathathe bona labo mama laba ingamla bababeka ngale back bathi didilande
yes true
so lithenga sabaphini
yes
ichisa nyama iseyikhona ifranchise yakhona iowner yinga amawutwana aqalwe enye out la Alexandra nini asazi kwenzakalani understand yonke into nayo Soweto beer iqalwe udaki maka ilauncha lapha kaMayimani I was there good apparently semuzwa bathi hayi ithengiwe brewery you understand ukuthi nathi we need to own
exactly
we need to own what we created
exactly and another thing Rodman engibhekile which is a problem that I want to solve khona abantu uthola ukuthi if uluka ubheka lento bathi I blew it umuntu uthola imali akaza enzeni ngayo but thina as business people open doors ukuthi if you have that money we can open an outlet for you imali yakho ikhona ukurotate ngoba imali mayihleli iyaphela
aveli yaphela as long ingangeni
yes iyaphela
iyaphuma
so akubantu ngithi if ever you have money awazi awuna plan come we help you open an outlet for you izokwenzela imali then we solve another problem there
no I wanna wena uhlala straight yazi you've got an open heart izandla zakho zivulekile so khona vele abantu abanemali guys you hear you see if you have money iyakudronka le mali awazi ukuthi uqale kuphi osalana le mali sikuvulele outlet sikufundise ukuthi imali singayenza
exactly
ikhule ibe sustainable ngoba imali ehleli ebank nje ihleli izadliwa nama interest asebhenki
or ucimijayivela nje leyo mali iziphele uyaphela imali bayingangeni iyaphela uthi papara ayisekho manje seyagijima kuma TV ukuthi ngidlile then what so here sithi come let's help you ukukhulisa le mali yakho we move
no ale acha sipush
asipushe
yes ma ori acha
let's go King Manamune
King Manamune acha yalo ngiyazibona le toro Natal esinye ngiyasibona venda esi ngidli acha sevenda last ngiyayithanda ngiyifeni acha
you told me I remember
angikudla ukudla okungana acha esikhathini esiningi ngidle acha ngisesibhedlele angisike bese bakushaya ngama beans ukudla khona ku nutritional bengidle acha yase Bushbuck
Ridge
Bathu uyazelapho wena ngoba yithi esizalela la yimi bengithuma bonesi ngithi kunomunye umama ekhoneni eso is the way ngithanda acha ngakho
exactly and I was much more to back acha was just acha before Jabu come kwamanje sichangeile le game iacha seyabrandwa iacha semanje sekuyinto engathi like there is clothing the acha so siyachange lento
it's a brand
we innovate
it's a big brand
it's a brand
singaba neimpahla ze-acha
it's a brand
sibe namajini e-acha
yes we become innovative we innovate
sithanda imali
kwamele yazi imali icontroller umhlaba
money makes the world go round so money talks
mawungena plan ukuyenza swandela kubantu abaneplan
no sikhuluma imali bafethu sikhuluma into frustrate abantu bonke masingakhulumi ngemali sokhuluma ngani we're talking about money entrepreneurship
it's money it's a game
now we're going to take this legacy to the primary ligodwa lisemanzi basasebancane bafunde abantwana bethu bafunde imali ukuthi mabaphuma esigela kumele bayothengisa ama-sweet mababona umama athengisa ama-fruits lapha ekhoneni akusibhari loya mama umntwana wakho usevasithi ngaleyo mali le
thina sikhuluse ilokho sikhuluse abazali abathengisa ekhoneni kwamanje I'm happy today mangihlale la ngithema ngithi ngiyabheka ngibona i-case study Jabu Acha case study I was happy how he does marketing how he started the business umuntu ufunda ngayo namhlanje e-university this journey mina ngicedanga university but ngicreate something ezofundisa abantu
khona abantu abafunda ngakho uku-curriculum
exactly
you are in a textbook
exactly
nani bafunda ngami
yes
ngatshelwa intwana yami ikhulele ngale mashashani ere papa re ithuta ka wena ko dibukeng tša sekolo
Yeah.
life skill
Yeah.
ba veze thina nabo sika lapha sishaya igambhuthi ukuthi
Yeah.
you can make a living
Out of
with a
it.
talent.
Yes.
Case closed.
Ngiyabonga. Thank you.
Asibonge.
Thank you.
Asibonge impilo.
Thank you.